Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First, we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for O, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first step, solve the expression inside the brackets. So we have two identical brackets. Over here you can see 6 plus 6 multiplied by 6, and again inside each brackets we must follow BODMAS rule again. So we perform multiplication before addition. First we multiplied the digits. 6 multiplied by 6 equals to 36, and after we add the digits, 6 plus 36 equals to 42. So according to this step 1, now replace both the brackets in the original expressions with 42. So now the current expression becomes 42 multiply 42 divided by 6 minus 6. Now step 2, perform division. Looking at the remaining operations, multiplication, division and subtraction. Division comes first. So first we calculate 42 divided by 6 equals to 7. And according to this step, we divide 42 by 6 because the rule prioritizes division over multiplication and subtraction. So now the current expression becomes 42 multiplied by 7 minus 6. So now third step says multiplication. We handle multiplication first. So 42 multiplied by 7, you can use Vedic math trick. 7 2s are 14. And then 7 4s are 28. So 4, one's place should be as it is. 1 should be added to 8, then it will become 9 and then 2. So 294 is the right answer. And according to this step 3, we multiply the results of the previous steps before moving subtraction. So now current expressions become 294 minus 6. Now step 4, perform subtraction. Step 4 says subtraction is the final step. So 294 minus 6 equals to 288. And this completes the expression and this is the final result. So according to this expression, by systematically applying the BODMAS rule, resolving the internal multiplication within brackets first and then dividing, then multiplying, then remaining terms and finally subtracting. So we arrive at the final answer of this expression is 288, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.